Just to mention as well, these lights have been created when you use a layer, which we've done down here using our ref layers to create particles. Particular creates a light and parents that light to those layers, and that's why you'll see them parented over here. So I'll just hide that. Now what we need to do is create a master comp, and just get rid of that. Back up into here again. We're going to create a master comp, and so I'm just going to click on a new composition, and we'll call this master output and 72405, which is correct for what we need. It's 25 frames long, but we're going to make it 200 frames long, 25 frames per second, and we'll go OK. And the reason why we've made it a bit shorter is, and we'll just drag that into our comps folder. We're going to bring our master comp down into that, and we're going to slide it forward a little bit to take out those first 50 frames. And the reason for that is because we're using trap code particular, it starts its emission of particles at frame 0. In fact, we can probably go a little bit longer. What we'll do is just change that comp settings to 250 and go OK, and we'll make sure that our comp is fitting perfectly, and we'll just come in until we've got those particles coming off screen here. I'll speed, that's probably close enough there. I think that's going to work, and what we can do is just slide our work area to that point, which is 13 frames, and then trim comp to work area, and that's going to work fine. So what we can do now is implement a little bit of camera shake to our shot. Now, to make things a little quicker, I'm just going to go to 1/3 on the quality here, and it's going to allow us to come through a little bit. And what I'm going to do is just hit P for position. This is a 2D layer of our master comp, and I'm just going to hit the Alt stopwatch there. I'm going to type in wiggle. I'm going to make it, let's make it about 10 in brackets, 10 comma, we'll make it 8, which is about 8 pixel movement, and it's 10 times per second that it's going to sort of wiggle around. And so I put a full stop instead of a comma there.